Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to replace the engine air filter on a Toyota Camry. Park on level ground, set the parking brake, open the hood, locate the air box, and gather a new filter and basic tools before starting. I will walk you through removing the cover, swapping the filter, checking the housing for debris, and confirming a secure fit. Follow along at a steady pace and pause where needed to match your comfort and workspace. Gather a flathead or Phillips screwdriver, a new OEM or compatible air filter, gloves, and a clean rag before you begin work. Remove any engine covers that block the air box, and note clip or screw locations for reassembly. Keep debris away from the intake, inspect the filter housing for oil or leaves, and keep parts organized so reinstallation is quick and accurate. Take photos if you want a visual guide during reassembly. Undo clips or remove screws to lift the air box cover, then gently remove the old filter while avoiding falling debris. Compare the new filter orientation, place it snugly into the housing, and make sure the seal seats evenly. Reattach the cover, secure all clips and screws, and start the engine to confirm normal airflow and no rattles before finishing. Check the cabin air and air intake hoses for cracks or loose clamps. Dispose of the old.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.